The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belts. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
Happy Sunday, you guys. Happy first day of Vlogmas. Woo! I am so excited. I am so excited about Vlogmas, you guys. Ooh! So we are getting ready. Nyla said, ooh. We are getting ready for church. I just put some bacon in the oven. I'm making breakfast and gonna get Nyla together. I just gave her a shower, changed her bedding and all that. You guys, I didn't even make it to the laundromat yesterday. Just never made it. After everything, I was so exhausted, and I think because we were off during the week, I was going still, and yesterday it kind of just all hit me. I was just like, oh, I can't. So we had, and the bags of laundry just keeps accumulating. So now I think we're up to 8-9 bags of laundry. Most of them are beddings because I stripped all the beds. So most of them are like blankets and beddings and stuff like that. So I'm gonna get ready, get Nyla ready, and then, you know, get myself ready, and then we're gonna head out. We have to be at church for 11:15, and it's now almost 9 o'clock, so we still have a good amount of time. But happy first day of Vlogmas, you guys. I am so excited. Are you guys excited? I am so excited. And if y'all noticed in the last clip, I actually moved the tree from the ground and put it on the counter because I just think it looks so much better there, and like you can see it. It's beautiful, it's vibrant, and y'all, the ambiance that it gives at night is so beautiful. So y'all know I'm all about that ambient lighting. I don't like overhead lighting too much. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get ourselves together, and I did Michaela's hair last night. I braided her hair, just re-braided, like touched up the sides and the front and the top. Y'all, we had to wake up early to finish that because I got so tired last night. I was like, boo-boo, we're gonna do this in the morning. So I just got done with her hair. So we're gonna get ready to get ourselves together. Wanna say hi to the vlog? It's Vlogmas week. Well, Vlogmas. Hi guys. Are you excited for Vlogmas? Yes. Yes, we're so excited for Vlogmas. So we're gonna get ourselves together and we'll take you guys along on our day. So let's get this Vlogmas started. So excited.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belts. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas.
So I'm here at our church. I'm dropping Michaela off because for some reason I thought she had to go in at 5 today to the youth program, the youth group, but they're doing like an angel tree today where they're shopping for kids, you know, for the Christmas season. So I had to drop her off at 2 and it's now I think 2:05. So and I have to go to the laundry. So I'm trying to see if I can find a laundromat close to here because they're going to be out and then they're going to come back and do the youth group at 5 o'clock and then it's over at 7. So I literally have a good 5 hours. But I have to go to the laundromat and then I have to go back home because Mikey's going to be sleeping, taking a nap. He's watching Nyla right now. But he's going to be taking a nap because he has to go into work tonight for 9 o'clock. So once I'm done with laundry, I got to go home, grab Nyla, come back here, grab Michaela at 7, go back home, drop Nyla off and Michaela off, and then drop Mikey to work. Y'all. And then I have to go to work tomorrow. He gets off at 6. I have to be at work for 7:30, so I leave at 6:30. Drop Michaela off for 6:30. I don't know how I'm going to do this. But y'all pray for me. Y'all pray for your girl. Anyway, I'm going to see if I can find a laundromat. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. Y'all want to do some laundry with me? Let's go do some laundry. Hey guys, happy Monday. It's 6:26. I'm on my way to work. I'm waiting for Caleb Easy to come out the house so I could take her to school. Y'all, it was a struggle this morning getting up, but we did it. I had to go get Mikey from work. I got up, got myself dressed, got Nyla dressed, went to get Mikey from work, just got back, and now I'm waiting for Caleb so we can take her to school and head on to work. So it's not going to be much in this first vlog, you guys. We didn't really do much, but definitely y'all will be getting a lot more. So just bear with me. I'm just trying to get the videos up for you guys, but I just wanted to check in with you guys this morning. How are you guys doing? Hope y'all are having a fantabulous Monday morning. Hey guys, just got home from work and y'all see all the laundry that I did yesterday. I didn't get to take you guys along with me, but you know, it was so packed last night in the laundromat. There goes Nyla Beezy. Say hi, Nye. She didn't get to go to school today. I got her up, got her dressed, ready for school. Mikey called me while I was at work stating that her bus driver didn't take her because the harness for her wheelchair was in my car, but she had the harness for the bus. So they still could have put her on the bus because she had the harness to hook up to the seat in the bus. Anyway, they didn't take her, so I couldn't leave work to come and, you know, take care of her. So he had a pretty long day because he got home from work this morning and he didn't get any sleep. So I got home and I just was like, go ahead, go upstairs, go get some sleep. So I'm here now. I literally, my jacket, I gotta wash it, but literally just got home from work, you guys. I went to Walmart. I picked up a few things, some snacks and stuff that Nyla needed for school, and just a few little, you know, toilet paper, things like that. So I'm home, you guys. And I know that this vlog has not been much. It hasn't been much. There's really not much in it, but I just wanted to kick off Vlogmas. Yeah, first day of Vlogmas. So it's gonna be late. It's gonna be late. I did the best I could, y'all, but y'all getting the video. It's still going up, but it's gonna be a tad bit late. So bear with me, bear with me, bear with me. Anyway, I'm gonna close out this vlog and then I'm gonna open up a new one. I'm probably gonna be in the same clothes, okay? So But thank you guys so much for watching the kickstart to Vlogmas. It's not going to be entertaining. It's not going to be inspiring. I don't know. It might be inspiring. Maybe not. Maybe. But, y'all, it's the first day of Vlogmas. Thank you guys so much for watching, for joining me today. And yeah, remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Ooh, tomorrow in tomorrow's episode of Vlogmas Day 2. All right, so see y'all. Say bye, Nye. Bye. See you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight.